Hi guys, this is Michaela on my morning walk, and today I decided to go to the park around the No stage, the No theater stage near my home. As you can see, it is raining. It seems that the rainy season will be here earlier than usual. And what does that bring to us? Everything is just so lushly green. And not only that, but the hydrangeas are blooming. So that's what I want to show you. Let's go and take a look at the flowers. They're just beginning to bloom, and some of them are not completely open yet. But these ones, this is a special Japanese variety. It's called Gaku Ajisai, or the frame hydrangea. Look at it. It's already in full bloom. The colors are just amazing. And that one over there. Let's check it out too. I absolutely love this season. Well, true, there's no sunshine, but everything is so green and so peaceful. The only thing that you hear are the bird songs. Oh, oops, look at this. Look at the little shishi that somebody has placed here. Those are protective figurines. They bear the image of a lion, or at least what people in the past thought a lion looks like. And here we have more hydrangeas. Now I want to go and check out the flowers around the pond. Oh, there you are, kitty cat. He looks a little unhappy because he's all wet. Oh, meow. Do you want some food? Let's see if I can give you some. Okay, it seems that the kitty liked his food. Now let's keep going before the mosquitoes get to me. Well, that is the one drawback of the rainy season, that it brings a lot of mosquitoes. And here are some more beautiful hydrangeas. In the summer, they have the so-called Kuraki night, where they light up the lanterns. They have scary stuff, placed here and there in the park. It is a lot of fun. So if you happen to be in the area, this is in Yokohama, by the way, check out the No Theater. It's a lot of fun and it's beautiful too. Just look at those green gardens and the blooming flowers. Well, this was my report for today. I hope that you enjoyed the beautiful nature. I'm just so fortunate to live at a place like this, and I love to share that with you.